Bank Negara says it has no intention of imposing capital controls, despite noise to the contrary. Its Assistant Governor Adnan Zailani Muhammad Zaid says that the central bank is merely clamping down hard on speculative activities on the ringgit. He says that perception of capital controls is overdone and that they aren't putting in anything new for fund managers, adding that nothing has changed, and that for all other banks they are free to come and go, and that it is only for transactions that are supported or related to non-deliverable forwards. Adnan assures that Malaysia remains an open economy and conditions do not warrant measures as drastic as capital controls. Instead, the central bank is trying to have a targeted measure to try and contain the offshore NDF market, explaining that even if BNM were contemplating capital controls, it is far too damaging and risky for the economy. IOI Corp Berhad returned to the black for its first quarter of FY 2017, due mainly to higher contributions from all its segments. Compared to a loss of 744.4 million the year before, net profit came in at 104.8 million ringgit. Revenue too came in at 6.5% higher at 3.3 billion compared to 3.1 billion last year. Net profit for IOI's plantation segment increased by 57% on higher CPO and palm kernel prices despite lower fresh fruit bunch production. As for its prospects, IOI says that despite relatively low FFB yields as the result of droughts, the plantation segment is expected to perform satisfactorily, supported by high prices. IOI also says that for its specialty oils and fat subsegment, business performance has improved since the lifting of the RSPO certification suspension in early August, supported by strong US sales. All in all, IOI is expecting its operating performance for FY 2017 to be satisfactory. According to a report from Reuters, Malaysian police have raided the Bersih offices on the eve of a demonstration organised by the group set to take place in the capital. The protest is calling for Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Razak's resignation over the scandal at beleaguered State Fund 1 MTB. According to Bersih Secretariat member Mandeep Singh, the raid was conducted in relation to a probe under the Penal Code, which covers any activity detrimental to parliamentary democracy. Bersih, along with several other groups, is being investigated after reports that it had received funds from Open Society Foundations, an organisation linked to tycoon George Soros. According to Bersih's Twitter account, police and officials from the company's commission had taken part and had asked for some of the group's assets to be seized. Prestariang Berhad has received the Home Ministry's approval to have some skin in the game, with the award of a 15-year concession to implement the National Immigration Control System, or SKIN. For its services, Prestariang will receive an annual average payment of 294.7 million ringgit beginning from the fourth year. According to the company, SKIN is a comprehensive and integrated technology platform to modernize the national immigration system with the aim of enhancing border security. It will replace the current Sistem Imigresen Malaysia and complement the existing Sistem Pengurusan Pekerja Asing Berpadu. SKIN will be implemented by way of a public-private partnership through the build, operate, maintain and transfer method. The first 3 years would be to build and deploy, the rest is for maintenance and operations. According to Prestariang, SKIN is expected to contribute positively to future earnings. Kanga International Berhad has teamed up with Bangladeshian company AK Khan Plywood Co Limited to jointly develop bamboo products and furniture. Under a JV firm named AK Kanga Private Limited, the company will focus on the development, production, management and operations for a whole host of bamboo products. The new firm will also explore the possibility of establishing a bamboo plantation in Bangladesh. According to Kanga ED Syed Hazrin Jamalulail, the partnership will enhance its growth prospects in the bamboo products and furniture market and tap into the huge growth potential for environmentally friendly products. He expects the JV to provide Kanga with a stable recurring revenue stream.